Okay guys, today we've got a fun project. We're gonna take a regular Honda Fit, a very small vehicle. I'll walk around it here. We're gonna take my tiny Honda Fit and we're gonna turn it into a mobile, solar powered, off-grid vehicle. What we're gonna be doing today, we're going to add on a bed. You'll see this little bed here. I've made this out of wood. You'll get some ideas. It kind of folds up here. Folds into 4 sections. I'll show you when we put it in why we made it that way. We are going to install a 200 watt solar panel here. It's not too big, it fits perfectly on the roof. We're gonna have to put on this aluminum frame, screw that up onto the roof. And we've got some, you're wondering what these black things are. I'll pull them out and show them to you soon. That's our solar water storage and water heat system. Here we have NPP Solar. This is an all-in-one 2000 watt inverter. It can take 1000 watts of solar, so I could technically add another 4 solar panels to this. I'll put some more specs up on the screen here. We're going to be installing, to start, just a Lion Energy UT1300 12 volt battery. This solar panel should charge that thing up each day over about 5 hours, maybe 6 hours if we've got good sun. The rest of the wood you see is part of the bed I'm going to be installing, and yeah, we will show you all of this good stuff. You'll see in the Honda Fit, it's pretty roomy actually for such a small vehicle. You'll see the seats fold down here. Let me show you how these seats fold down. You just grab up here, and that actually just folds down into a nice little bed here. Just grab this little hook, slide it down. If the seat's forward, it goes all the way down. But what we want to do, we want to pull these seats out. We're going to be pulling these seats out and putting a frame in here. So let's get started. Today's video is sponsored by Legacy Roofing. Legacy Roofing is a great company for all your roofing and solar needs. If your home is in need of a new roof or you want to get solar installed, check them out. You can find their details in the description section below. Here we are taking out the seat here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts on this first one. Okay, let's get this other chair out of here. Here. We're going to be putting the frame over this so we can fit luggage in here. We could sleep on the top. This is the frame we're going to be putting on. You'll see all the wood here. That's what the top bed will be. And this just has some nice hinges here. I'll show you how these hinges work once we get set up. I just stapled on this carpet that I got at Home Depot. 3 hinges, 1, 2, 3. See how I put this on here? Just measured this thing out, it's pretty easy. Let's put this together. Okay, first piece is this, right here. Okay, this one I just built for a little support. Some of you may be wondering how this works exactly. You will see in a minute. Okay, our next piece, this one. Right there. Okay, our next piece is our main centerpiece. I basically made this so it'll fit right inside this hole. Okay, our next piece going in. This is the back part. This goes around the wheel well here. You can kind of see these little like cutouts here. They had to be kind of specially cut just for this thing. And the way this slides in, this is the rear, so I need to fold it. So here we have some nice cargo space, big for luggage, whatever you want to put in there. This thing's a little crooked, I want to straighten that up, but it can support very well. Seats have to go forward all the way. If you want to sleep, you can open this thing up. See, support here, support here. Firm, sturdy. So just close, open. If you need some cargo in here, get some cargo out. This fully opens, and you're good to go. Plenty of headroom, plenty of leg room down there. All right, let's show you what we're gonna do with the roof here. So the plan is here, this will sit on here, a nice 200 watt solar panel. The other part of the roof here are these solar water heaters, pressurized. You basically fill them from here. We have this little fill spout. Turn this, opens, closed, open, fill, close, pump it up here with just a regular tire pump. Get some air pressure, it will get heated by the sun. Even in winter this will get warm, as long as you have sun. Okay, this one will sit right here about. The second one will be going here. So that's gonna kind of be the base of this thing. Okay, so the next thing to figure out is where I want to put this lithium battery here, Lion Energy. I was thinking I'll probably just get it mounted in the rear here. I might hook up the whole battery system. Maybe my battery's gonna go right there. And I'll probably end up just putting this here. So, some other things I gotta install are this, goes on the roof, battery cable connectors. We have our solar cables. We have a power cable we're gonna cut in half. One will be for the utility and one will be to use here. We're basically putting a whole solar station into this back corner. You'll see these can kind of come down, give you extra support right here. Up, down, power system back here. This is my pump, I'll pump up the water. Let me close this and show you how I pump this water up. So, come onto this side. You basically just pump from right here. You can use a hand pump or this electric pump. Hook up your air. First fill this with water, of course. Hook those up with air. Want to shower, just hook up right here, just like a regular hose. These will warm up in the sun. This just goes on here. So, don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments, is this gonna work? About the cheapest home you could potentially live in here that has hot water, solar power, place to sleep, can sleep 2 people, mobile. There's our solar panel up on the roof. Just need to get everything mounted and put in. Should be a fun project. I'm gonna try to hook each one of these on. You know, I'll be hooking it on here, here. And here we have some bolts we'll be sticking in through the car. So here's how if we're gonna drive this thing, we gotta put this up here. This just folds up. If you wanna come look right here, you can kind of see that, how this folds up here. Shoop. 2 passengers. Ready? Yes. Yeah. All right, guys, so we're all finished. We just finished our solar build out here. I got everything installed, and let me show you the solar system here, how I set it up. So the first thing we got here, if you can see under here, we hooked up our solar panels here. These can be removed, added. We can add solar panels here, and I just hooked this on. It goes straight through the antenna piece here down into the vehicle. It goes down this wall here and out right here. We got our outlet here, our wire coming in. Here's the setup I ended up sticking with here. We got our inverter just sitting back here next to the battery, and this is our long power hose if we need. Power cord that comes out, obviously. This setup's pretty easy. So this is the solar setup here. I just sometimes keep that. We got our power coming out here. This one comes out. I just got a nice power ball here. It's got different kind of plugs. It's got some USB here. Easy to move around and get to where we need to here. Another thing about this, you can twist this here. It can tilt up to the angle that you need. So we do have a tilting top up here. Make sure and subscribe to our channel. We've got some awesome adventures coming up. We'll be taking this guy on some adventures. We've got 2 really big projects we'll be doing on Think Higher, Live Deeper. We're gonna be converting a cargo trailer into a mini home using Tesla tile solar roof panels. It should be an interesting one. We're gonna try to get 20,000 watts on the thing. We'll also be towing that with a Tesla Cybertruck if Tesla ever gives us a truck. I'm sure some of you guys are also waiting. Let me know in the comments who's waiting for a Tesla Cybertruck. I know I am. Another big project we'll be doing on this channel is converting a catamaran sailboat using solar. We're gonna turn the thing fully electric. That will be an interesting project, again, with Tesla solar glass tiles. We're trying to see what these things can do. We're gonna put them to the test. If we like them, we'll keep them. If not, we've got some other options we're exploring. We've got a lot out there. I hope you guys enjoyed this build. Let me know in the comments what you think. We're gonna have some adventures together in this vehicle. It's gonna be a lot of fun.